Good morning, East Texas. It's going to be another hot day for us today. The sunrise is just starting to come up. You can see we're starting to see a couple of colors, but right now if you're stepping outside, not too bad. We're in the 80s. Our dew points are starting to kick up though. We're in the 70s, so it's feeling a little bit muggy. We have more heat alerts in place today. We've been in heat alerts for the past several days. All right, all of the counties that are highlighted in pink are that excessive heat warning, and then the orange, a heat advisory. Those are set to expire at 9 p.m. tonight. And we're running hot, but so is much of the south. We have heat alerts in place for all of the highlighted counties, and that's pretty much a trend for us out here. We are running very warm, but what we're worried about is the heat index. So here's what we're looking at for our feels like temperatures in Tyler. Feeling in the triple digits by the time we get to 1 p.m. today, but we are going up from there. By the time we get to 5 p.m., we're feeling like 110 degrees. Not really getting too much relief in the overnight hours by that feel like temperature, but it is going to feel very warm. That's because we have wind that is pushing in from the south. Right now, that's going to get a little bit gusty on your drive to work. We're looking at like 15 to 20 mile per hour gusts, but it looks like it should clear itself out by the time we get to the evening and afternoon hours. But remember, that's bringing in more humidity, so our feels like temperature is going to be 110 today. That's vastly different than our forecasted 104 as the high temperature. Longview, we're going to go up to 105, Gilmer 104. 105 is the high in Mineola. Linden going up to 105 today. Marshall only up to 103. Palestine and Athens topping out at 105 degrees today. Nacogdoches, St. Augustine and Center, same in Lufkin, going up to 103. Tonight, we're not getting much relief. Most of us are hanging on to the 80s. 80s in Gilmer and Longview, same in Tyler. Sulphur Springs starting to see the 70s overnight by the time we get to deeper parts of East Texas. So we're not getting much relief. So be sure that you take plenty of breaks in the shade. Try to drink liquid, preferably water instead of something with caffeine. And wear plenty of sunscreen because our UV index is going to be kind of intense today. Okay, so why is this happening? Because of an area of high pressure that we have. Right now, it's hanging out over East Texas, but it's going to start to scoot over on Friday, and then we have a low pressure system that's going to come and just clip the edge of our area here in the late hours of Sunday, and that's going to bring us a chance of rain on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Mostly concentrated toward the northern part of our area, not getting too much. We're looking between 1/100 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch, concentrated up toward Mount Pleasant and the Texarkana. But down south and deeper parts of East Texas, we're not going to see that rain, which is unfortunate because we have lots of burn bans in those areas, so it doesn't look like we might get a little bit of relief from the dryness. All right, today though, in the short term, we are running hot. We have heat alerts in place today. We'll be topping out at 104. Tonight, not getting much relief, going down to 81, but then we're back in the triple digits tomorrow. We'll be topping out at 104. Tomorrow on Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday, when we have that low pressure system dig its way over East Texas, we'll start to see a little bit of relief and a chance of rain on Monday, Tuesday, and